video.
Yeah, I'm making a video. We clean this out. We're going to put some of this in here.
Yep. There's Bill Sam.
That's all, there's only water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, now you sit back on your chair, please. Right. Patrick, you're supposed to be helping, so stay there. So we're going to put a new line extreme cooling system flush and degrease the junk. Oh, it's like soap, Charlie. Look at it. You alright, Patrick? Stay back, Charlie. Stay on your chair, please.
I had all. Why did I splash water there? Why you not running all that water in? So you're not wasting that water.
No, I'm just going to start the car, so keep your fingers and toes away.
Yep. And elbows.
Keep everything away, Charlie. Alright, so this is about the fourth flush here, and we're still pulling out all this nasty, crusty scale and rust. So yeah, this car's never going to have a warm heater. We're replacing the heater core, but it's going to be better than it was. Good. So yeah, this is why you change your coolant, and this is why you don't use tap water.
Yeah, no tap water.
No tap water. What do we use?
No, these waters.
Yeah, we use premix coolant. That's the easiest way, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
Dad,
yeah?
you don't do phone.
No, I don't.
That's
That's alright. Yeah, you keep it in there, buddy.
That one's Brandon's phone.
No, this one's my phone.
Oh.
Good job, Patrick. Yeah, you keep it in, fireman dudes.
10 minutes. Ethan!
You watching what you're doing, Patrick? Alright, so there's our drops of coolant, and there's our little hoses. Slight concern that there's a little bit of pink up on that bracket up there and over there, so we might be chasing a water pump maybe, but those hoses definitely need changing, so we'll do those and reassess. That's one of those pipes off. They're not, it doesn't quite line up, so it's not quite straight, so that's quite annoying, but that's alright. We'll get the other one off and then sort something out.
There's a race road.
A racetrack?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Bathurst. Or Bathurst, whatever you call it. Right, so our wee hose.
Yep.
That's seen better days. Just happens to be 5/8 inside diameter. So we're using some heater hose rather than this, which probably costs a lot of money from Alfa Romeo. But longer. You got him? Like that one, but longer. Take that one and get the longer one of those.
Oh.
You get it?
Are the same?
No, one's way bigger, isn't it? Just longer, not wider.
What longer one? I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Good job.
This one.
No! 1/4 inch, but longer. There's one that is just as skinny as that one, just longer. We only just put it back in the thing, Charlie.
Right here?
I don't know, I can't see. No, I'm gonna have to come and get it, aren't I? I'll come show you, hang on.
Oh, this way.
No, that's a stumpy little fella. Right, the rear hose is a bit crustier. Attaches to this big long water pipe. You probably can't see. This big long water pipe that's held on by a bracket and a few bolts, so it's not too bad to get to. You just loosen those bolts and then you can shift the pipe enough to get the thing off. So we'll give that a good clean up. Give that a good clean up and hope it doesn't leak. Then we'll have a look over here, see what's behind that timing cover. Right, so there's our new bits of pipe and clamps. It wasn't too bad, just a wee bit fiddly to squeeze everything together because they're only short pipes, so just a little bit of silicone lube and everything's better with lube. So you'll notice I managed to put one of the clamps on upside down, so I'll point that out just so your OCD can kick in and you can like start twitching in the background there. But that should be a lot better than the crusty old ones. And then we're going to pop the timing cover off and see if we've got a water pump problem. I hope not. That'd be really annoying. Alright, so it's a bit of a mission to get the old timing cover off, so I'm just going to flag it. And we changed the pipes that were definitely seeping coolant. We'll wash it down, run it for a bit, see what happens. If the coolant comes back, we'll check it better, eh?
Yeah, right.
That's it.
Right there.
So we're going to be shade tree mechanics.
Yeah.
Yeah? We're going to do half a job.
Ben 10.
Ben 10. You're Charlie 5. Right, good. Yeah, so I'll put that back on as much as I took off, which is just that belt cover. But yeah, to get the cover off, you kind of need to take the belt off, and that's too hard. It's too hard when you got company. Hey, Charlie.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it actually cleaned that tank out pretty well. It's did a pretty good job, the new long cleaner stuff. But you saw some of the grime that was coming out of there, lots of scale and rust. Apparently this car did have a new radiator at some point a few years ago, probably 100 years ago. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased how that's cleaned up. But yeah, it's not going to be perfect. Seemed to have slightly more heat output from the heater, but again, it's never going to be perfect, and I couldn't actually find the heater hoses to back flush your heater core, and that seemed like too much effort. So yeah, we've given it a good clean, got as much junk out as we're gonna, top it up with some new coolant and check for leaks. Some of that stuff. Where's that go? In the radiator?
Yeah.
Yeah, what does it do? Keeps it cool? Yeah. Coolant. And stops it freezing.
Maybe.
I hope so. No maybes, Charlie.
What?
We don't want a maybe. We want it definitely fixed and definitely not going to overheat.
Well, I'm not in here.
Yeah, that's the radiator. That's where that ends up. But we put it in the wee tank up here.
Yeah.
Like this. Can we do it one-handed?
Then I'll make it fall. Not spill.
Well, I'll spill it, guaranteed, Charlie. Oh, no.
Then you done it. You don't spill it.
Not yet. Oh, a wee dribble.
Drop. That sounds leaking.
That's all right. We'll wash it off with a hose in a bit because we've got to make sure it doesn't leak. Oh.
Hold on.
It's all of that one. Then I need your one, mister.
It's the same.
Yeah, it is the same. We like Penrite stuff.
Yeah. That I'll hold it.
Oh, yeah, you hold the lid, buddy. Ugh.
I put it right over there. Right in that corner. Yeah, I can't see it. There's sawdust right here.
Oh, we put too much in, Charlie. What are we going to do about that?
Measure it in.
Oh, yeah. We'll fix that up. It'll be fine. She'll be right.
It's right there.
Yeah, don't touch it. Yeah, well, when we start to run it, it should like suck some through, and that should go down, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be right.
Yeah.
suck down a bit. Yeah, we'll warm this up, bleed any bubbles out, and then we'll back it out and take it up and give it a wash, eh, Charlie?
Yeah.
Yay!
And from the car wash.
Well, not going to the car wash.
Oh,
Yeah, so yeah, this was the one that's kind of bulgy and leaky. It's underneath an oil leak, so probably hasn't helped things. But
yeah.
she'll be right. Looking nice and dry under there. Beautiful craftsmanship. There you go, we warmed up, the fan's kicking in. All working as it should. Slightly more heat out of the vents, but not much. But it's usable. Yeah, we will in a sec, Charlie. Right, so I'm not going to delve too deep into that possible water pump leak for now, because we're going to be doing the timing belt at some stage. So these are the tools you need to time an Alfa Romeo 156 twin spark. Instead of just having timing marks that you line up to, you have to use this top dead center gauge and find the exact point of top dead center there. Then you got these locking caps that lock the camshafts. Then you can change the belt. Seems overly complicated. I don't think it really is in practice, but we'll get that done. Also, part of these you get the tensioning tools for the balance belt and the timing belt. So yeah, we've got all the stuff to do it. Just need the motivation to do it, don't we, Charlie? You going to do your first timing belt?
Yeah.
Not today, because we don't even have the parts. So yeah, just a quick video there. Hang on, can you see us? Just a quick video there. Just get that water leak sorted. Still waiting on the drive shaft boots, and then we can get it done. So there we are. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you real soon for some more Alfa Romeo fun.
Yes.
Cheers.
Yes. Cheese.
You saying cheers?
Cheese.
Good job. Right, let's go inside.
And I will hold that top. The paint has got the top on it.
No, you're not holding that, Charlie. No, you are not holding that. Looks cool though, doesn't it? It's a nice fancy gauge. No, you can't touch it.
Well, I want to try it.
It's very delicate.
Well,
And you're not a very delicate person. Well, we'll just put it away, eh?